Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channels, guys. I came back from my holiday in the Philippines. I did check in the Hermes store and I found these two items over here. I actually just want to get a refill for this one, and so before I show you guys what I got, and if you like to see more of the videos of travel blog, beauty related, handbags, and also review, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so notify every time I upload a new video. I am up really appreciate you guys if you subscribe to my channel to grow also my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the small one over here. I just really actually want to get a refill for this one, and I've been wanting a refill for this. And then every time I check on the website here in the States, I don't feel like to purchase because I want to see in the person. So when I was in the Philippines, I had a chance to check, but the problem is they don't get a refill for this one. So I just purchased the full lipstick. So this is from Beauty Product. It's a lipstick, guys. I love the lipsticks that I had. I forgot what to call one, but I found this similar close to the shade, and it's a beautiful shade as well, actually. And this is the regular uh, lipstick. They have a limited editions of like different color over here. I do have one limited edition from them, and I'm just like mentioned, I just wanted a refill, but they don't have a refill in the Philippines, so I ended up getting a full lipstick. So this is the shades over here, actually using it already, and the shade is this is a satin and rose. Oh my god, rose. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It says rose. It's actually number 19, satin 19, rose broye. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, guys, because a French name I don't really pronounce correctly. And I'll show you guys. I make it swatch as well. See, the shade is beautiful. I love this type of a shade of the lipstick. It feels like a natural. Right now I'm wearing my Tom Ford, almost like look like a pale pink. That's why it looks like pale on me. So this one, it's beautiful shade. Look at that. It's like a mauve. I already mentioned that to the sales associate. I like a little bit of mauve color, to be honest, because I want something considered like a natural lip color. So that's why I ended up getting this. And actually my friends also, she got this shade. We have the same shade that she purchased. So that's the first one. The second one is over here. And to be honest with you guys, when I was in the Philippines, I visit my my family in Cebu. I forgot to bring this baby. That's why I bought this one, because I want to bring this one in Cebu, so at least I have to replace for my other sandal, but I forgot about it. So this is another sandal. Let's see, guys. Is I forgot what's the name of this, to be honest with you. I don't know where is all my receipt. I forgot where did I put all the receipt. But anyhow, let me see. Yeah, I don't know what's I'm sorry guys, I forgot what's the name of this. This is the one I got. It's over here. This is the like a summer sale slippers, and I forgot what's the name. I do have the black, like a different design, and then I have another one, the blue one with another, every year Hermes always change the style of the slippers. And actually I did try the black one. The black one is so nice. I leave a big video below, but she showed me this color as well that actually it's also nice. And I said to myself, you know what, I get so many, I already have the black one, and I rather have something that I can wear for like spring and summer, and a pop of color for this one. So I was debating actually the black and this color, and my friend told me get the this color, the green one. And to be honest with you, I was debating get the two, but I said to myself, no, don't get two, just get one, because I don't use this much often unless during summertime. So I forgot really, and this is the size 34. I actually debating get go for 35. The also one thing that I did not get the size 5 is because it hurts right here. For some reason, the black one, it's hurt right here at the end of my on my toes. It's against, and I didn't have a chance to wear this one actually, so I probably gonna have wear it today after I'm gonna film this video, even though I've been arriving here for like a week now in the Philippines. But it's still like, you know, the jet lag and the time change and time difference, it gets me like not bothered to open this one or film. So I said to myself, I'm gonna film this one before I use it. So it's a beautiful, beautiful color, to be honest with you. The only thing that gets me worried, because if I'm wearing like a different color of my top or clothes, well, it's safe to wear this with the black or like a neutral color only, because this one is it's really pop of color or maybe black. I will Google it. It's like what it's like a safe clothes color to match with this color. But don't get me wrong, look at this, it's beautiful, beautiful color. And I do have the black one already, that's why I didn't get it, even though I like more the black. It looks more, you know, can wear with any outfit, any color. But this one, just you can't go wrong with this one because it's perfect for this summertime. So yeah, I'm glad I did get this one. I actually found like this color red when I was in Miami 2 months ago, and I did like it, but I didn't buy it back then because um I don't know, I just said to myself I don't need it. But when I was in the Philippines, I did manage to purchase this baby over here. So yes guys, for my Philippine unboxing from Hermes store in the Philippines, and I did really happy that I did purchase something in the Philippines. Man, this associate in the Philippines that the assist us, I mean she assist us, she was so nice, she was so helpful. My friends bought a the Oasis, the gold color. It was beautiful. I wanting that gold color Oasis, but they don't have my size because I have a small fit, guys. To be honest with you, it's hard for me to find a size sometimes. So that's why when I something like this that it has my size, I always get right away because I struggle to find my sizes sometimes. So yes, that's it for my unboxing today. And guys, thank you so much. And I'll be back on track on my YouTube now. And again, thank you again so much. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.